Hi, welcome to Brett's Auto Saloon. Alright guys, so it is Sunday morning. We are about to install pedals on Andy's M3. I gotta take the car over to the garage because I didn't park in the garage last night, and I gotta just prep the garage for stuff. But I don't know what kind of pedals he has, but these are my pedals that I installed myself. Yeah, that floor dirty as fuck, boy. That's what happens when your car's daily driven, you know? Driven daily, so it's dirty. Andy was supposed to be here like 30 minutes ago, but he running late, so I took it upon myself to get some things that I needed to get done with the car. We're gonna get rid of that. First and foremost, I made this. Yeah, this one I'm gonna use. It still got some Coke in here, but that's fine because the only thing that's gonna be in here is used brake fluid. So that's what I'm gonna, when I go to drain the brake fluid to change it over to the to the race one, the Project U. Yeah, when I go change it over to that, I need a place to put the used brake fluid, so I need that. Cause I got everything. I got the pressurizer down here too. This thing. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna figure out how to use it. It's kind of self-explanatory, so I mean it shouldn't be too hard. I'm not a fucking dumbass, so. But yeah, I made that. I took the measurements that I needed. It was 1/4 the nozzle for the brake fluid. It fits a 1/4 hose, so did that and cut it, drilled a hole in the thing and whatnot. Now, what I don't know what I'm gonna do is, yeah. But that's all I did right now. If I find something else to do, I'll do it. I'll probably wait for him to come. But other than that, we just chilling. I'm actually about to go inside and get a piece of apple pie, so.
I'm looking forward to that.
So you don't like what? Funny mess? Oh. You're not funny. I told you that's a different one. This is Andy.
Yeah, the one I go home.
You haven't met Andy yet. Come on, Cypress. You peed like 5 times. Look who's finally here. You need this? Some water?
I appreciate that, Brett.
It's over there.
Over there?
Yeah, come on. Yeah, just pull in like straight like that. She'll move. You can hit her. She'll move. You gotta worry about her. Keep going. I want to give us. There's not enough room in the garage to generally do it because the walls are so tight. Because I don't know if I'll have to pull. Okay, so we're gonna remove his seat so I can get more room to get down there and do a better job and install these pedals. So we need a T50, a very long extension, like 3 inches, and then an impact gun. So got that. let's go take out this seat. Oh, I need a flathead to pop out the things. We'll do that. So. So
I'm playing a pretty important job right now.
So take the seats out. You just need to remove these 4 bolts right here. You got 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And you just slide your chair forward and back to remove them. It's pretty simple. I like this interior. I like this color. It's very,
I feel like every
it's very unique.
Every Interlagos blue I see always comes with this interior.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I guess people just love this color combo when they're speccing their car. I don't know.
Probably.
Yeah, I look like the color. I saw them debating on aftermarket seats later on.
I'm getting brides. I've sat in brides. I know brides.
Japanese
I like brides.
brand.
Yep.
On a Euro car.
Yep.
You're a Caro trader.
Let them hate. Let them be mad.
You're a Caro trader.
Let them be furious. Brides are just so nice. I don't care. Some bride Diaz. Oh my god, they look so good too. People gonna be like, what the fuck?
Yeah, are those the reclinable?
Reclinable and they're reclinable and adjustable. So yeah, you gotta move this too. Don't turn the car on. What the hell? Yours is different. What are you missing? Are these seats? Are your seats heated?
Yeah.
The fuck?
What do you mean it's different? Why would it be different?
Cause I got on this piece I have extra shit. I got a black thing and a white thing that plug into something else.
Shit, I don't fucking know. Efficiency, maybe weight reduction.
Yeah,
no
yours
extra
is,
cables.
Okay, I wonder if that's something with the like 2008.
Got it.
Yep.
That's sick.
They're done. Look at that. That looks so nice, doesn't it? We gotta vacuum this out and then we'll be done. But man, that looks so much better than stock. They did a pretty good job. I feel like if I do like 4 more of those, I'll be a professional at it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the vacuum cleaner, vacuum that out, and then that should be it. There we go. All buttoned back up, vacuumed and everything. Seat back in. Yeah. It's a really lovely color on the entire car. I told him I want his wheels. I think these wheels look way better than those ones. I don't know why. I think it's the spokes and the concaveness of them. But yeah. But yeah, that's gonna about do it for our pedal conversion video. Hope you guys had a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But I'll see y'all later, alright?